Complex here in Martinsburg, PA tonight. It's the feature race. Get on May 9th, 2026. That's one of our regulars is out over here today. Tonight. Here we go. Come on, Cole. Come on, bitch. Supercars. The rest of it was like crates, like yellow 4 or 5. I know that T2's a crate car. Still sitting down there. Come on, just get him off the track. He can really get going. Yeah, it's doing. Oh, I need the tow truck, don't he? No, you're not. There's a spurner in it. The spurner in the 3, not the 1. Which spurner that is. At least 5 or 6 laps in, I think. We're still in the work of this, thinking, what you call a dang place. pet yak. And the bed's out. I don't know what that could happen. I didn't catch it. He's somehow on his roof. I guess he hit the wall and rolled over. Anyway, under bed now. Not exactly what we needed here tonight. Didn't get even later on me. So very close, kind of close to 10 p.m. here. I'd like to get out here before 11 or so. Want some off-hides.